So the construction industry is responsible for 39% of carbon emissions in the world. There is a problem in tackling that because the industry is fragmented. So there is this main issue of transferring lessons learned. We set out to solve that problem through procurement systems and policy documents, policy reports, linked to the independent review of construction framework known as Constructing the Gold Standard, commissioned by the UK government and authored by Professor David Mosey.
What we're very excited about in terms of the impact of this research is that it helps construction industry and their clients move beyond an idealistic or aspirational approach to net zero into commercial systems for strategic delivery. It seeks to move beyond what we've called the Groundhog Day of continued lost learning at one project at a time, and to say, right, if we can combine the delivery of multiple projects by multiple clients, and we can share the intellectual property, and we can agree the safeguards on that intellectual property, then we have a system that enables the rapid progress that we need. Constructing the Gold Standard had a brief to differentiate good construction frameworks from the many others that are out there. A total of 2,000 is too many for clients to work out which procurement route they should use to avoid having to procure a project on their own, and it's too many for contractors and consultants to decide which to bid for. It's very expensive to procure a framework, it's very expensive to bid for it. So to have in the 24 recommendations of the Gold Standard objective measures of what works and what doesn't in terms of the effective delivery of a framework will help the clients to decide and the industry to decide.
We've looked at actual projects and mechanisms for impacting the industry and helping reduce the carbon footprint of our sector.
Roxana Vornicu has developed a whole new dimension to this research through engagement with a European network of academics and practitioners to explore whether some aspects of constructing the Gold Standard, and particularly focus on net zero, can be, if you like, exported or adapted for use in a whole range of European jurisdictions. This is adding, as I say, another dimension to the research that we feel will have potentially Europe-wide impact.